Hello out there, video friends. Back with another quick unboxing. Last one didn't go so well. That was the Gammo. I think it was the 766, something like that. Anyways, if you guys were watching, that went very poorly. I did return that one. Not a good gun at all. But so we tried something new. Returned that one. Did get the funds back. So we're trying this. This is actually coming from Amazon, and I will put the link down in the bottom here. So going a little bit of a different direction this time. Still on the lookout for a decent pellet pistol, although I think at this point I really would like to find a 22 pellet pistol, and those are very hard to find. However, this is actually a BB pistol, but from everything I have read, this is very close to the feel and weight of a real 1911. This is the Tangfoglio Witness 1911. Again, this is a BB pistol. This is CO2. So in the box here, all your directions and shit. Here is some steel BBs. I don't know if I'll use these or not. Requisite Allen key. And here is the pistol. And I can see already from looking at it, it is, wow, this is very nice looking. Wow, very, very nice looking. The feel of this is really great. Now that should go back. Kind of a different feel on the. I mean, the trigger's okay. I wouldn't exactly say it's exactly like a 1911. The hammer definitely not like a real 1911. There's no midpoint there. Real 1911, you get kind of like a half cock or a quarter cock. This one, there's none of that. It's just all the way back. Now, this is definitely kind of a World War II style look to it. It's got the short sights. This one's not even, nothing even colored in or anything. It is nice, though, that you can look down inside. Here is the magazine. You only get one, so that is a little bit of a bummer there. And I think new mags are a little bit pricey, so I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But the feel is nice. The feel is amazing. It's got the grip safety. You've even got the lanyard ring on the that is, oh, I'm forgetting my 1911 terminology. I think that's the back. No, it's not a back plate. Back something. Forgive me, John Browning. Anyways, so you've got your markings here. Tangfoglio Witness 1911. I don't really like that. I might try to blue that out. It does have the 177 caliber markings there. See if the safety works. It does. That's good. See if I can get you guys a little close up here. So, as I said, very nice. Big ugly warning. May have to definitely get rid of that. Recessed barrel. That is nice. Let's see if we can now the mags fall out with weight, with gravity helping them. Let's see if we can take this apart real quick here. Okay, there's the, not bad, easy takedown. There is the guts of it, very similar to the GSG 22 slide. Very similar. I mean, this is almost exactly the same. This here. So, in fact, I think they may be made by the same company. Very similar to a true 1911 as far as the receiver here. Yeah, everything's real nice. Grips are plastic, but that is actually period correct. A lot of people seem to think that the war era 1911s had wooden grips because that is how they're pictured a lot in games and such, but that is actually not the case. A lot of them have those grips that have the US, and that is actually not the case. The standard issue ones just came with these regular plastic grips. Not to say that those US labeled wood grips aren't nice. In fact, I may get some for this because this is such a nice representation of a war era 1911. So anyways, that is it. There's a picture down the sights. Again, very minimal on sights. So put the mag in and try it one more time for you. So very nice, very nice, very happy with this. Very nice representation of a 1911. I wish someone could make a pellet gun like this. It was so nice. I don't know how they do it, but if they did, I'd be the first one to buy one because that would be sweet. If they could make a 22, I'd buy a couple of them. But unfortunately, this is all they can do. This is a BB pistol, so we'll shoot some cans with this, and we'll have more coming up. So until then, stay tuned. More videos to come. Stay tuned with us. Later, folks. Happy videoing, America.